Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in innovative products. And today, we're diving into the Flow Bungee Goggle Strap Kit, a game changer in the world of swim gear. If you're tired of fiddling with your traditional swim goggle straps or dealing with broken bands during your swim, this is the solution you've been waiting for. The Flow Bungee Goggle Strap Kit is hands down the best goggle bungee on the market right now, providing a quick and easy way to adjust and replace your goggle straps, making them a perfect fit for any swimmer, no matter their experience level. This kit comes with two durable, high-quality bungee straps along with cord locks that allow you to easily adjust the tension for a snug and secure fit. Plus, there's even a bonus cord lock included, making it a great value for any swimmer. Whether you're a casual swimmer, a competitive athlete, or just someone who enjoys a relaxing swim, you'll appreciate how this kit ensures your goggles stay in place and remain comfortable throughout your entire swim. One of the standout features of this product is its universal fit. The Flow Bungee Goggle Strap Kit is compatible with most swim goggles that allow for strap replacement, making it ideal for both adult and kids goggles. The straps are approximately 40 inches long and 3 millimeters thick, offering flexibility and durability. Installing them is incredibly easy, thanks to the tapered ends that slide effortlessly through your goggles, allowing you to get back in the water faster. The vibrant color options are another great selling point. The straps come in a range of bright and bold colors like blue, black, green, fuchsia, red, and more, ensuring that you can find a pair that matches your personal style or simply stands out in the pool. But it's not just about looks. These straps are built to last. The elastic interior and woven outer layer provide long-lasting durability, meaning they won't stretch out or snap over time. Whether you're swimming in a pool or the open water, you can count on these straps to withstand the test of time. In terms of comfort, the adjustable cord locks make it easy to customize the fit of your goggles, allowing you to find the perfect tension that keeps your goggles secure without being too tight. No more worrying about discomfort or slipping goggles while you're swimming. All of this comes together in one affordable package, making the Flow Bungee Goggle Strap Kit a must-have for any swimmer looking to enhance their goggle experience. If you're tired of adjusting your goggles every few laps, this product will give you the confidence you need to focus on your swim without distractions. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and convenient replacement for your current goggle straps, the Flow Bungee Goggle Strap Kit is your best option. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Stay tuned for more product insights, and happy swimming!